What if a disease could be detected before symptoms even appear? What if doctors could identify brain disorders years earlier, when treatment is more effective? This is becoming possible with the help of artificial intelligence, a technology that is transforming how we detect and understand brain diseases. So how does AI actually detect brain diseases? The human brain is incredibly complex, and diagnosing neurological conditions often requires analyzing large amounts of data, including brain scans, medical history, and behavioral patterns. This is where artificial intelligence, especially machine learning, plays a powerful role. AI systems are trained using thousands, sometimes millions of medical images such as MRI and CT scans. These systems learn to recognize patterns in the brain, patterns that may indicate diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, stroke, or tumors. Once trained, AI can analyze new scans and detect even the smallest abnormalities that might be difficult for the human eye to notice. For example, in conditions like Alzheimer's disease, changes in the brain can begin years before symptoms appear. AI can identify subtle patterns, such as slight shrinkage in specific brain regions, helping doctors detect the disease at an earlier stage. AI is also used to analyze brain activity data, such as signals from EEG tests. By studying these signals, AI can detect irregular patterns associated with conditions like epilepsy or sleep disorders. In some cases, AI can even help predict when a seizure might occur. Another important application is in stroke detection. Time is critical during a stroke, and rapid diagnosis can save brain function. AI systems can quickly analyze brain scans in emergency situations, identify blockages or bleeding, and alert doctors within seconds, helping them make faster treatment decisions. AI also helps in understanding how diseases progress. By analyzing patient data over time, machine learning models can predict how a condition may develop and help doctors create more personalized treatment plans. The development of AI in healthcare is built on decades of research in computer science and medicine. Today, it is becoming an essential tool that supports doctors rather than replacing them. However, AI is not perfect. It depends on the quality of data and must be carefully monitored by medical professionals. It works best when combined with human expertise, ensuring accurate and safe decision-making. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we detect brain diseases. By analyzing complex data quickly and accurately, it allows for earlier diagnosis, better treatment planning, and improved patient outcomes. As technology continues to advance, AI has the potential to transform brain healthcare, helping us detect diseases earlier and understand the brain in ways that were once impossible.